Welcome back to Bags on the Go. Let me show y'all how cold I am. Yeah, if you're not here in Michigan, let me give you a little taste of it. So this video right here is just me taking out my car in the snow because I can't drive it nowhere. And I'm gonna go right here in the parking lot, give me a little photo, video, walk around in the snow, and then put it back up. That's all we could do here in Michigan. We snowed in, we frozen in, and if you don't have snow or if it isn't cold where you're at, then this video is just for you to see what else is going on in the world. That's why I'm making this video, just show you a little something different. A little something different video. It snowed again. All of this snow right here is new snow. Whole parking lot was clear yesterday. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it around. There's a little snow pile over there. I'll just park it over there, spin it a little bit, and then, you know, put her back up. I gotta let it warm up real quick. Cold start. Oh, you're just like me. Oh, you're just like me. Motors on the ground. It's almost time. It's almost time. I'm just waiting on a couple more parts to come in and put all the parts on the trans and the motor, so I ain't got to be up under the hood or up under the car putting a little few pieces together. But we getting there. Just like me. Oh, you know what? I got an idea. Watch this. All right, so now I'm hands-free. Oh, wait, hold on. I gotta do it like Grand Theft Auto. Hold up. I hope this is showing up good. This is just a test. This is a test run. Just waiting on him to get out the car. Once he get out the car, I'm gonna pull up. Like it what you see, make sure you like this video, give me a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel right now. Good out here in the snow. I gotta take a photo real quick. feel me now. You don't want nobody else but me and only me. Feet don't feel me now. Just putting some snow on my rallies. That's it. That's what I wanted to see right there. Alright, so that's it for the video, y'all. Just wanted to show you my beasts out in the snow. If you don't have snow, then you just experiencing what I'm going through. And if you do have frigid temperatures and snow, then you already know what it is. But just in case you're in Florida, I can't do nothing. This is what you call snowed in. I'm just gonna pull it back in and melt the snow off the tires. And then I'll just have to do a little quick car wash on it again. It ain't nothing but dusty and got a little snow on the tires. Ain't gonna hurt nothing. And that's it. Let this bad baby warm off. I like to see it with the LEDs on. I haven't had the LEDs on much. Only drove it downtown one time. Yeah, it's very rare that I have them on. I don't drive this car at night, and during the day, I don't run the lights on. Just the running lights, I run them because it looks sweet having the tail lights on with the front lights, the marker lights on. But there you go. That's all I wanted to show y'all real quick. I got you a new view. This headband that I got, I ordered it off of, Amazon. Shipped to your door in a couple days with Prime. This is not an ad, but this can be an ad. And I can show you what it looks like. And you can go buy one for yourself too if you like this view. Yeah, so go ahead and shut her down. Turn this heat on. Bake the place out before my customer get here. All that wonderful snow outside, and I still got customers wanting to tint their windows. Ain't a blessing? Isn't it a blessing? So, turn the heat on and melt the snow off the tires. Shit, I'm falling all over the place. There you go. There you go. All right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the view. So if you're wondering what's on my head, what it looks like, this is the clip here. You twist this knob right here, and it goes up and down so you can fit your phone in here. Then if you want Hold on. Let me turn this music off. There you go. Then if you want to turn it in different angles, you back this off, turn it forward, turn it back. You can flip this sideways as well to get another shot. And headband strap. Yeah, yeah. So there you go. That's what I'm using. And just another point of view. So his bag's on the go. As you see, I pulled the car out. If you like what you seen, like the video, help me out, man. I'm in here snowed in. It's not a lot that I could do in this weather. So his bag's on the go.